Meet the SANDMARC Macro 25mm v2 lens and the Macro 100mm lens. What makes them different? Our 25mm macro lens has been recently updated to deliver even greater image sharpness. This lens is designed for extreme close-ups, capturing fine details with incredible clarity. It's perfect for when you're photographing small, stationary subjects and want to capture as much detail as possible. The 100mm macro lens also delivers that sharp, immersive look, but with more working distance. That extra space makes it easier to photograph or film moving subjects and have room to try more creative setups. How they shoot. With a 25mm macro, you'll need to bring your iPhone very close to the subject to achieve focus, usually around 10 to 25mm. For most stationary subjects, this isn't an issue and actually helps create that intense macro perspective. The 100mm macro, on the other hand, has a minimum focusing distance of 53mm, giving you more room to work and making it easier to capture subjects that move or require space. No matter which one you choose, both the 25mm and 100mm macro lenses give you incredibly clean, crisp detail with a shallow depth of field, a look that closely resembles DSLR macro photography and professional-grade imagery. You might be wondering why you'd use a SANDMARC macro lens instead of your iPhone's native one. Your iPhone can capture beautiful macro shots, but in many cases, everything in the frame stays in focus. With SANDMARC macro lenses, you get a much shallower depth of field, a look that feels more natural, more organic, and closer to how the human eye sees. This also helps you counteract the artificial sharpening found in newer iPhone models, resulting in a softer, more authentic macro image. SANDMARC macro lenses give you more flexibility and variety when you're shooting. They're compact, making them easy to take anywhere. They perform best in well-lit environments, whether that's outdoors, during the day, or in a studio with strong adjustable lighting. We hope this helps you understand the difference between both macro options and inspires you on your next shoot. Thank you for watching, and as always, happy shooting.